going to show you how to use a powrtouch classic motor mover. It's a manual engage, it's on a single axle, okay? So the first thing we need is the actuation bar, okay? It's a 19mm end. So on the mover you've got this hex nut, okay? So we're going to put the bar as close to the floor as it will allow, and then we're going to lever it over until you feel a clunk, and it won't go any further, okay? Now on this one it has a dual actuation bar, so there's a bar running from one side to the other, so you only need to go from one side, it's doing both sides at the same time, okay? So I'm going to put this away because we don't need it for a second. Next thing we do is we take the handbrake off. Okay, so the caravan is now being held by the motor mover rollers. Now with this mover, inside the battery box there is a red key here, okay? So you put that into the isolation port, turn it on, that takes the power from the battery and turns it onto the motor mover. So we're going to lock that back up, just so that the battery box door can't catch on anything if we go over anything, okay? So this is the handset for the powrtouch Classic. If I press 2 power buttons, you'll see the green light come on, and the green light is now over to the right hand side, so it's ready for use. If I turn it that way, you'll see the shape of a caravan, that is the A-frame, so that is forward. And if you now watch the caravan, if I press forward, it will move forward. If I press reverse, it will go backwards. And if I follow the arrow directions, it will turn the caravan wherever I want it to turn. Okay? Both forwards and backwards. Right, so that's how to use the motor mover. To turn it off, turn the handset off first, hold it for 2 seconds and release, and you'll see the green light is out. So we'll put that back inside the caravan. Take the rollers off the wheels. Once the rollers are off the wheels, the caravan can move. Okay, so it's a reverse action. Now, when you take a motor mover off the wheels, that is put on with a big spring. It has quite a kick. So, I'm going to watch my face, watch my shins. Okay, so if I release now, you'll see how much of a snap it has. Okay, take that off, making sure that you've got your 19mm end still attached to the bar. Okay, and you'll see that the rollers are now away from the tyres, and that caravan is now safe to move. So that was the powrtouch Classic manual engage on a single axle caravan. Thank you very much for watching.